wanna give you my love. You know what to do, hit me with the move. Wanna give you my love. Get it right now, ain't no talking, I wanna show you love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stylicorn, and we back at it again with another tutorial. So today I'm actually going to be showing you guys how I got an icy gray wig from this 613 wig from ALOT hair. Don't mind me guys, I did not get to record an intro because of the simple fact that I did not install the wig until my birthday. So yes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that bell so you can get notified on more videos just like this. Now, this is a 613 wig. It came with 3 clips in the front and 1 clip in the back. And it also has adjustable straps at the back of the wig so you can adjust it to the liking of your head size.
Bell be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. I don't wanna see you with a cat living average. Even if I'm rich, I still feel like the saddest. I can't even lie, I'll be lonely as Akon. All I'm trying to do is find your love, get my Drake on. Take you around the world, baby girl, you deserve it. The diamonds, pearls, penthouse fully furnished. How can a brother like me?
Like I said, this is a 613 wig from ALOT Hair Company on AliExpress. It already came pre-plucked a little bit, but I did decide to pluck it a little bit more after I dyed the hair. And yeah.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. New bands and dancing yachts, 'cause she's so casual.
So yeah guys, if you're interested in how I got this icy gray hair that you see in my thumbnail, just keep watching. So in this clip here, I'm just showing you that I'm boiling some water to get ready to put it in my bowl for the watercolor method. After you get your hot water ready, just pour it into your bowl, and then you're gonna take your Adore dye. I'm using platinum and titanium, and you're just gonna pour it into the hot water and mix it all around. You want to pour little by little so you can see how the color is going to come out as you're dipping it in. And then if you don't like the color, how it came out before on the first time you dipped it, you can always add in more.
For real.
So as you can see, I'm just taking a piece of blonde hair that I had from an old wig, and I'm dipping it into the water to see how the color is going to come out. Evidently, I liked how the color came out, so I decided, okay, let me go dip my whole wig into it. So right here, I'm just showing you that I'm dipping the 613 wig into the dye. And then we're going to let it sit there for a few minutes. And then we're going to take it out to see how the color came out. So I didn't like how the color was coming out, so I took the hair out, and then I added more platinum and more titanium to the water, mixed it around a little bit, and then I kept dipping it from the bottom and working my way to the top of the hair. Then after I did that, I repeated the steps again, made sure that it got all around the wig and everything. Then I took it out to see if I liked the color or not.
Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores.
Bell be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. I don't wanna see you with a cat living average. Even if I'm rich, I still feel like the saddest. I can't even.
So I was satisfied with the color that I got. I poured out the water onto the hair, into my sink. I rinsed it out. Then I washed and conditioned the hair with the Shimmer Lights Blonde to Purple shampoo and conditioner.
If you got a man with outlandish behavior, don't worry girl, cause my heart don't pump flavors. Come build with a real one, get paper. A world full of sins, let me be your
She's
savior.
so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. Rumor bands and dancing yachts, cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores.
I know you're gon' want nice things. Nigga with pockets fat like Kelly pricing. I just want you on my team. Spike Lee, we do the right thing. Do you believe in shooting stars? Or would you rather...
Yo, I don't think I'm ever buying this hair ever again. Do you see all that shedding that's in my hand just from washing? Like, that's ridiculous. So after I washed the hair and conditioned it, I decided to comb out the hair, and then we went straight into plucking. And guys, even from combing out the hair, I got a lot of shedding. I'm never purchasing this hair again. So like I said before, we're gonna go straight into plucking the hairline.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. Rumor bands and dancing yachts, cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores. Yeah. Different stores, casually alone. Baby, it's all you.
So after I plucked the frontal, I just combed it out just to show you how it looks. Then after we did that, I just sprayed the hair a little bit more to get it wet so that I can blow dry it properly. And then I went straight into tinting the lace. So I didn't want to get my mannequin head messed up, so I put a plastic bag on top of it. Then I just put the wig on top, inside out, and then just sprayed my homemade lace tint on top of it.
Even if I'm rich, I still feel like the saddest. I can't even lie, I'll be lonely as Akon. All I'm trying to do is find your love, get my Drake on. Take you around the world, baby girl, you deserve it. The diamonds, pearls, penthouse fully furnished. How can a brother like me get what you win? Build stability while you shop. Jimmy Choo, still on Union like every year. Breaking all the rules, what we have is abstract. Baby girl, be my muse. If you got a man with outlandish behavior, don't worry girl, cause my heart don't pump flavors. Come build with a real one, get paper. A world full of sins, let me be your savior.
Casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. Rumor bands and dancing yachts, cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores.
I know you're gon' want nice things. Nigga with pockets fat like Kelly pricing. I just want you on my team. Spike Lee, we do the right thing. Do you believe in shooting stars?
Now that we're done, it's time to style, sis. So I'm gonna be taking my newly found mousse that I bought called Lotta Body. It smells so good. I'm gonna put that on her head, make my middle part of where I want it, and then I'm gonna take my hot comb and just hot comb down them edges and the top of my head to get it flat. Obviously, I took my flat iron to flat iron the rest of the hair, but I needed the top to be flat, so we need to do that with a hot comb.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. Rumor bands and dancing yachts, cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping.
It's time for the baby hairs, sis. So we're just gonna take out the front of the hairs of where we want our baby hairs to be. Then we're gonna cut them to the desired length that we want them to be. And then after we cut them, we're gonna start styling them with our mousse. So yes, like I said, we're gonna take our mousse and start styling them in the direction that we want them to lay. And then after, we could take our got to be glued and actually have them stay.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. We Benz and then some yachts. Cause she's so casually alone. So I'ma take her on a tour. Baby girl, you not a whore. I take you shopping different stores.
Bell be the man, wanna see you doing good. I don't wanna get rich, leave you in the hood. I don't wanna see you with a cat living average. Even if I'm rich, I still feel like the saddest. I can't even.
And of course, to keep them laid, we need to take our little silk scarf, head wrap, whatever we want to call it, and wrap that around the edges and leave that there for a little while so they can dry. And then after they dry, you want to take off that headband and you are done. All you got to do is just cut the lace and style it on your head. Woo! Look at them edges, girl. Look at them. So after you're done, take off your silk head wrap, whatever you want to call it, you want to cut the lace. That's how I do it. That's how I feel comfortable. But yeah, so this is it. This is the final look. This is how it looked, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I did not wear it, so I was not able to put on an intro or an outro. I wore it on the day of my birthday. I recorded this before my birthday. So yes. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell if you want to see more videos just like this and you want to keep updated. And also, guys, if you are an R&B artist, a reggae artist, hip-hop artist, any kind of artist like that, hit me up on Facebook or hit me up on Instagram to have your songs featured in my videos. Let me know what you guys think about this video, guys. Put a thumbs up if you like the video. Put some comments down below. Don't forget to do that. Yeah, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
She's so casually alone. Let me take her on a tour. We got hot in different spots. We Benz and then some yachts. Cause she's so casually alone.